Hey everybody, Scott from Bonefish Sailing, and let me give you a little more detail on exactly how I'm measuring this out, if it might help you in the future to do a similar project. So first of all, to measure where the mounting screws go, it doesn't matter, excuse me, you can see better this way, it doesn't matter if that side's up or the wire side is up, and in fact it makes it much easier to have this side up, because now without my pesky shadow in the way I can look down there and there's a little black dot, if you zoom in, that you could see that I put at each corner that I could align with the panel. And as I said, since I can't take these wires off, we're going to take this all off. The ideal way to do this would be to just have the plate and then just trace the holes you need. You don't want to be cutting out the entire thing if you don't have to. It's a simpler way to do it, yes, and it would work, but personally I pride myself on not doing things the easy way and doing it more the correct way. And I'll figure out with the wiring, once I get this going, how to get these connections off of here. I just don't want to monkey with them too much if I'm doing something wrong, or these actually have a kind of permanent locking tab, like they've been crimped or something on here, or have a locking tab on them. So the next piece of it here is to be able to see from the switches. I'm going to need space for those to go through the boxes. I'm sorry, for the round bits here, the voltmeter. I will also need, lines for the switches to go through there. And I just kind of, not roughly eyeballed it, but I've done a lot of high-end carpentry work, so I'm pretty good at doing this even freehand. I was off a little bit on my first line freehand, but anyhow, I am going to go ahead and cut this out. There is a plastic sheet that's on top of this, which is why it looks a little funny, which is super handy. It not only prevents you getting plastic from chipping, or helps stop it from chipping, but it also, all my marks will be gone. Even though this should be covering most of it up, they'll hopefully most of it be gone by the time I'm done. Please like and subscribe for more.